Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Now I know many of you will be appearing for Neetpg exam tomorrow. So I thought let me take this opportunity to share some of the important tips and tricks for the last day. Now first thing I want to talk about is the uncertainty. जो anxiety रहेगी, जो एक डर सा रहेगा that 19 subjects हैं, 200 questions हैं, तो will I be able to perform? सबने पढ़ा है, सबने रिविजन किया है, but everybody at this point of time will feel कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. Right? But I tell you this thing that it's absolutely normal. Yeah, it is difficult to exactly remember point by point all these 19 subjects. That is true for everyone participating in this competition, right? But एक चीज है, this is an MCQ based question paper. आपके सामने चार options होंगे and one of them will be the right option. So it is a bit easier to do on the question paper. That's an MCQ based exam. Okay, so that's point number one. The answer is in front of you. You just have to find it. You just have to pick the right one. No problem. Abhi nahi yaad aa raha hai, but trust your preparation, trust your hard work. You'll be able to do it on the exam paper, right? Number one point. Number second point is that you want to attempt as many questions as possible. Agar 200 questions hai na, you should attempt at least 185 to 190 questions. Why? आप कम attempt करोगे, आपका final score कम ही आएगा. But at the same time, you don't want to attempt such a question जिसके चार में से कोई भी option आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, right? You don't want to attempt that question. But any other question जिसमें एक या दो options आप rule out कर सकते हो based on your logic, based on your information, आप एक option या दो options rule out कर सकते हो, and then you can take the chance and mark that option, right? जो बचे options हैं उनमें से एक choose कर सकते हो. So try to attempt as many questions as possible, preferably 185 to 190 questions, but do not commit to a question where you have absolutely no idea out of the four options, right? That's point number 2. Point number 3 is, see, maximum students ने revisions भी किए हैं, maximum students के concepts भी almost same level पे हैं. But you know what makes a difference in the exam is your focus and concentration right on the exam, on the question on your screen. Many a times you return back home and then say that यार ये question मुझसे गलत नहीं होना चाहिए था, ये mistake मैं नहीं, this should not have been done, I should not have chosen this option. You know why you do that in the exam paper? Because आपका concentration somehow थोड़ा सा lose हो गया होता है उस point of time पे. You're thinking something else, and in that rush of that question, you mark it wrong. कहीं पे accept नहीं पड़ा, कहीं पे not option नहीं पड़ा. So please make sure आप questions, all 200 of those questions, you will look at those questions, understand the questions with absolute focus. Do not commit silly mistakes. Do not get a simple question wrong. That should be an important mantra for the day. That there is no simple question that I'm getting wrong. A difficult question, okay, you can get it wrong. It's a difficult question from a topic that you have not read. Okay, absolutely fine. But a topic that you have read, a topic that is simple, you cannot commit mistakes on those questions. Okay. Then few other points. Number 1, that it is absolutely okay to be anxious और नींद कम आना इस दिन पे. मुझे भी कम आई थी अपने दिन पे, एग्जाम के दिन, right? Absolutely okay, no problem. आप कल अच्छा करोगे. Have your trust, have your faith. चाहे नींद कम आए या नॉर्मल आए, डजंट मैटर. आप एग्जाम पेपर अच्छा करोगे. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉर्मल. सबके साथ ऐसा होता है. फाइनल, एग्जाम सेंटर्स में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं. मे बी किसी को गर्मी ज़्यादा लगे, कोई सीट पसंद ना आए, कुछ भी समथिंग. बट प्लीज डू नॉट वेस्ट योर फोकस ऑन दैट पॉइंट. आप अपनी सीट पे बैठे हो, द ओनली थिंग यू आर थिंकिंग इज द स्क्रीन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, द क्वेश्चन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, द आंसर ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन, नथिंग एल्स. कुछ भी हो जाए, nothing else crosses your mind. Your focus is totally undisturbed. By this, you will come out of the exam hall with maximum number of correct options. So good luck for your exam tomorrow and all the best.